things that are basic components like air, water, sunlight, soil, temperature. They are the one who supports the life on Earth. For example, sunlight is the major cause of living. Like plants need sunlight for their process of making food called photosynthesis. We need sunlight for our growth of bones, water, air, and soil. These all components help us to interact more with the environment.
Thank you very much. What is your good name?
Shamsher Kumar Tiwari.
Abhishek.
Sir Shamsher.
Shamsher. Right. Shamsher, you have answered really well, and we are basically you have told us that if we want to survive, the living things, if we want to survive, then we have so much dependence on the non-living things also. So basically, this whole Earth, the planet Earth, is having the system in such a way that every entity is interacting with the other entity. One entity is dependent on the other entity. Maybe one entity is having the reaction with the other entity, and third entity is getting benefit out of that the product. So wonderful part. Thank you very much for telling it all to us. So coming to this different points that we have, I have to add certain people also alongside. So I'm focused on that. So coming on to that part, that environment is wholesome experience. So by planting only some saplings, can we take care of environment? Can we take care of environment, the entire environment, by planting saplings only? Somebody may like to answer. My question is,
No,
since
no,
Earth
sir.
सिंस अर्थ नो यस प्लीज बताइए. एक आप मुझे थोड़ा अपना नाम पहले बता दिया करें ताकि मैं आपको एड्रेस कर पाऊँ वापस.
Shivansh, sir.
शिवांश. शिवांश बताइए प्लीज. सो प्लांटिंग सैपलिंग ओनली इज नॉट इनफ. वी हैव टू डू समथिंग मोर. So why is it so? Why do you think that planting sapling won't help much, or it does help and we have to do something
But,
more?
sir, as we can reduce plastic also.
Wonderful, Shivansh. You really have studied something really good things about this environment. Not only the environment day is not only about the plantation part, it is about the certain other part from our life also, that is like waste management. So
Sir,
this
may
is,
I?
yes, please, yes. To
Sir, planting a sapling can save the environment because it also helps in soil erosion, and each sapling matters to create a forest.
definitely. Your good name is
Adira.
Adira. Adira, the question was not this, that do
Sir,
sam.
may I?
Just a second, please. Let me complete first of all with Adira. The question was not this, that do samplings or help or not. They do help. The question was it only planting the saplings is the measure to save the environment, conserve the environment, or we have to do something extra. So question is this: if we have to do something extra, then what is that extra part? And you definitely can answer on that one. You can revise your answer on this, that how the plants are helping us, and alongside we have to do many more things. Yes, ma'am. Your good name is. You have raised a hand.
Sir, may I?
From the Nitin Arora
Good
sir's
afternoon,
ID.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am Dr. Nitin Arora's daughter, Pratyaksha.
Ji.
Sir, I wanna tell about matlab how we can take care of our environment.
Do tell me. Do tell me.
So we, okay, sir. Sir, we should save water first.
Hmm.
Then we should reduce plastic use,
Hmm.
and then we should sorry. Then we should recycle and reuse.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
That's it. Many pointers you have given. I think I can discuss on each and every point that you're going to ask. But I have got more of the hand raised, so I will be going to those. First of all, from Harjas Kaur's ID, somebody has raised a hand. Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
जी जी
Sir,
बताएं.
I'm Harjas Kaur.
जी जी बताएं.
Sir, I consider that except from planting saplings, we can do many other things for the environment, such as collecting the litter from the surroundings, saving water, saving electricity, watering the plants, not plucking out flowers or leaves, and many more small steps that can we do except planting just the saplings.
Okay, Harjas Kaur, I would like to have extended answer from you. You have listed a few things. Now you tell me what out of these you do at your home to, contribute into the environment.
So I first of all I water the plants,
Hmm.
and always before going out of the house I always check the things that is any tap on or off, and if it is on by mistake I will turn off the tap always, and I will always check these 2 points mainly, like watering the plants and closing off the tap before going out from the house. And I if any small child is plucking leaves or flowers from the garden or nearby me a place, I would always tell him not to do that.
Right. So you mean to say that you execute, you plan, you execute, as well as you take care after execution also. Like somebody has planted trees
Yes,
and
sir.
somebody is going to plug, you are going to make the person aware that this is not the right thing.
Yes,
So
sir.
wonderful.
Around me if I see anyone.
Wonderful, wonderful. See, we can save environment, or we can, conserve environment only once we are having the lifestyle in such a way where we can do them. Yes, from Yadavi Sharma's ID. Yes, please. Acha, they note the raise hand. From Pookie only Foru. Yes. Yes, yes, please, please.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes,
So
please.
we can also save water
Hmm.
and recycle the waste we use and try to put the right waste in the right dustbin. And we can do many other things like use less plastic bottles and use more paper bags while shopping.
Okay, we will discuss more about saving the water. Like, your good name is?
Manat.
Mannat. Mannat has told us saving the water. Advait has told us saving the water. Harjas has told us saving the water. Uh, everybody is saying saving the water. Like, how to save the water? Everybody wants to save the water, but how to save the water? Should we not drink the water? प्यास लगी हो तो कहते
Sir,
ना मेरे को मत दो
excuse me,
पानी.
sir.
कैसे सेव
Excuse
करें?
me, sir.
Hmm.
Excuse me, sir. May I?
Yes, yes, please tell me, tell me, tell me.
Sir, by collecting rainwater, harvesting water.
Very good. So how do we do that rainwater harvesting? I do not know. Tell me. मुझे तो नहीं आता. How do we do rainwater harvesting? Somebody knows how to harvest the rain? किसी को आता
Yes,
है?
yes.
किसको आता है? बताएं, बताएं.
Sir, in this process, rainwater is collected from rooftops or other surfaces, and it is stored in a tank. Like it can be an underground reservoir or something,
Hmm.
which can be used as future resources.
Hmm.
And this helps in recharging groundwater levels and reduces water scarcity.
Hmm. See, there are a lot of ways that we harvest the rain, right? One of the way is that now it is a legal part. All the buildings who are which are having the open area at the rooftop, they have to make arrangements so that entire water is channelized into a pipe, and that pipe is going to the rainwater harvesting system, and aquifers are charged. There are two kind of aquifers that you must be knowing. One is shallow aquifer and one is deep aquifer. Normally, rainwater harvesting system from the houses recharge the shallow aquifers. So you must be knowing that in Chandigarh there are two kind of areas. One are having the already shallow aquifer and the low lying area. If we are going to have the rainwater harvesting system in the uh, low lying areas, then what would happen? Then what would happen? My question I shall
Sir, can
repeat.
you repeat the question?
I shall repeat the question. In Chandigarh, there are two kind of areas. One is having the slope of 1 degree, and rain, whatever the water is falling on that slope, is going to run away or going to be deeper in the under the surface of this earth. And there are certain under the surface of earth there are shallow aquifers, and there are certain low lying areas. Those low lying areas like this kind of pocket is there. So if I am going to put the more of the rainwater harvesting in this pocket, what would happen? There is one surface which is like this, water will be flowing freely, and the other area is something like this. water will not flow, it will be accumulating here. Those area would be waterlogged. Yes, from tile id.
So potholes and puddles will be formed.
Potholes and puddles will be formed. Yes. So when you talk about the rainwater harvesting, you might be knowing all the inventions. You rainwater harvesting is something really very good, and also two three more things that I would like to associate with that one. जब बारिश हो जाती है तो सबने देखा ना, पानी पानी भर जाता है, वाटर, द रोड्स आर वाटर लॉक्ड. हैव यू सीन दैट रोड्स आर वाटर लॉक्ड?
Yes, sir.
Those are troublesome.
Yes, sir.
Why do
Yes, sir.
those
Yes, sir.
roads get waterlogged? What is the reason behind that? If we are going to
Sir,
harvest
due
the
to
rain. Yes, please. Due to
Poor drainage system.
sir, due to poor drainage system and lack of cleaning of sewerage pipes.
yes, due to poor maintenance of the drainage system. So if you want to save the water, if you want to conserve it, also you need to think more about this water problems. When there is no rain, then your community, your society, wherever you are staying, you can chalk out a program with the maintenance committee that our drain pipes should be cleaner one. So by doing that one, you can even save a lot of associated issues, like potholes would not be there, puddles would not be there. So clearing out the drainage is one of the things that you can take up when you talk about the celebration of World Environment Day. Regular things that you already know. आम चीज़ें तो आपको पहले से पता, you know so many things, you might have the list of those things. I in my session would be sensitizing to those things you may have not learned earlier, or may have seen in a little part of it. So one of the part I would like to say here, that drainage should be cleaned before the monsoon, so that during the monsoon all the rain that is properly drained and it is going to be ultimately treated properly in the STPs. Otherwise it is going to be waterlogged issues only. Chalo, that is one part we have spoken about. How to save the water is rainwater harvesting. We agree. I agree to harvest the rain, and I am thankful that you have told me how to harvest the rain. Thank you very much. But now what is how to save the water second? Okay, I give you a problem. Solve that problem for me. घर में सभी के फिल्टर हैं? Do you have filters at home? You have
Yes,
filters at home?
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
when I do take water from the filter, what I do, I take a glass, I go to the filter, and before I am going to take the water, I rinse the glass to clean it, right? And after cleaning that water, what I should do with that water?
Go.
Yes, please.
So we can just
Sir, you
water plants with that.
We can water plants with that one. Yes, from Dr. Nitin Arora's ID. आपका नाम again you can
Sir,
kindly.
mine was same. Sir, Prataksha.
Prataksha, yes.
Sir, mine was same.
Your was the same only, right? Shivansh.
Yes.
From the Puki only. आप मुझे थोड़ा नाम याद करने में थोड़ा रहेगा. जी बताएं.
Sir, we can use that water to water the plants or to wipe away, like to clean the house, and we can use that to give it to the
So we can give it to the plants. We can
we can
utilize
use
it.
it in painting and crafting also.
Wonderful.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, you can do go.
We can do.
Go.
I am not able to heard that word. What is that word? कोई बताएगा मुझे क्या कहा उन्होंने? सुमन मैम, देयर इज एन आईडी. उन्होंने कुछ कहा लेकिन मैं नहीं समझ पाया उन्होंने what he has said that one. If you are there, kindly please check with that ID.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, he said go. We can do go. I don't know now what is go means. Children, do you know what is go?
Who is this? Please say it again.
Ma'am, he is some Ikman Singh.
Ikman Singh, please say it again.
I didn't say anything, ma'am.
Achha, you didn't say. Okay,
No,
not
So
a,
ma'am.
anyways, let us continue further. Let us continue further.
yeah,
Let us
continue.
drop it.
It is
Uh,
something
that is fine. That is fine, Mr. Singh. Uh,
starting from a. Yes, ma'am.
huh.
Mahir said in the chat.
So one of the solution that I found, I have kept a jug near the I have kept a jug near the filter. Whenever I rinse my glass or I use that one, we try to fill that jug. Right? Every time it is not possible for anybody to rinse and go to the plant and to water the plants. So otherwise, second solution is that I have implemented. I have kept one pot near my filter. So whenever I do that part, like that water I use to rinse that one, it's too little, too small quantity of that water is there. So immediately I can either put it into the pot or I can accumulate that water into the jug. So once the jug is fully filled, then I can go and do all the things that you have said. So these are certain things that you can practice at your home and you can save that water. And even certain ROs are there. Those ROs are having lot of water which is flowing after the so-called cleansing of that water. So you can utilize that also in a bucket. You can fill that water and you can save that water. More of the tips. किसी ने कुछ और ऐसा कर दिया हो घर में जो पानी सेव करने के लिए बताइए तो एनीथिंग स्पेशल इनोवेटिव आइडिया जो आपने किया हो घर में पानी बचाने के लिए आई एम श्योर दैट कोई ये कहने वाला नहीं है कि मैं 3 दिन नहाना बंद कर दिया है चलिए ठीक है आगे बढ़ते हैं हमने वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द प्लांटेशन पार्ट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द प्लास्टिक पार्ट एंड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द वाटर पार्ट ये अभी तक हमने डिस्कस किया नाउ लेट अस डू मोर अबाउट यस प्लीज
सर यू हैव सेड आप कोई पानी मिला सकते हो सर आई हैव मेड अ साइंस गैजेट सर जब उसमें मतलब हम लोग कोई गंदा पानी डालते हैं तो मतलब उसको हम उसको उस गैजेट से हम उसको साफ कर सकते हैं एंड वी कैन ड्रिंक आल्सो एंड वी कैन सेव आल्सो दैट वाटर
सो यू हैव मेड दैट गैजेट
यस सर
can you please explain a little more to us that how have you done this one
sir I can't explain that
okay so there are certain gadgets who actually clean the water they are working on the simple principles that you have to put certain layers of the material into that one the filters that normally you have at home those are working at 3-4 layers like first layer keeps the solid particles away those are filtering the sand and other bigger particles away then once the water is filtered and the water is having no solid particles then it is treated for the radiations then the microparticles microbes and etc they are going to kill with that those ultraviolet rays so this is how they work and you might have gone for charcoal also so we will discuss more about it your good name is
Akshat
Akshat, whenever I am visiting school or I will be discussing the same thing with you. There are gadgets, but we need to understand the working of that gadget to enhance those further because there is a lot of scope in that industry also. चलिए further move करते हैं अभी हमने पानी की बात करी प्लास्टिक की बात करी now we talk about the plants. So question was besides plants what we can do. So what we can do besides plants we have discussed now we discuss about the plants. If somebody has done the plantation I would like to know that what kind of plantation do you do where do you do how often do you do and after plantation what do you do so plantation is not a single word it is having a chain of events that we do so monsoon is about in the corner now in the a week's time some 3-4 weeks monsoon would be here so let us see that who is ready for that monsoon and the plantation part so kindly raise your hands any plan for the plantation this monsoon or somebody who is doing it already somebody is having the garden kitchen garden. The question is monsoon would be here in 3-4 weeks in the Chandigarh also so that is the best time to plant So have you planned already to plant certain trees, saplings this monsoon? If you so, if you have planned, so kindly let us know your plan. If you have not planned that one, or you are going to plan that one, how you are going to do it, what kind of plants you are going to do, where you are going to plant, that complete thing that we are going to discuss. So first of all, जिसे तायल जी की आईडी से जो है, प्लीज आप बताएं.
Sir, I planted 3 trees in the local park near my house.
So can you name those trees?
Sir, neem, peepal tree, and banyan tree.
Neem, people, and banyan. So these are the native trees to India, and these trees basically are giving you a lot of benefits. Not only the oxygen, but medicinal benefits are also extended. So even do you know that कि plants को जो कीड़े लग जाते हैं उसको भी खत्म करने के लिए नीम के पत्तों का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है.
Yes, sir. We
Yes.
use neem oil to uh, like kill pests like caterpillars which eat the chlorophyll of the leaves.
Oh right. So we will discuss more about that one soon, but let us hear other people first of all. Yes, please. Yes, please. From Puki only, 4 ID se.
May I?
Yes, please. Let me know.
In our house. Sir, we have a garden in our house, so we plant and water it every day. We also have a tree growing outside.
So you yourself plant water the plant, or you have got somebody some help to plant the water the plants?
We've got house help to plant
You do.
it.
So you have got flowers or the medicinal plants. What kind of plants do you have?
Sir, we have neem, tulsi, bougainvillea. Sir, we have also got many, but I don't know their name.
You don't know. So one of the thing is that during the holidays, you can make a list of the plants that you have. So once you are going to have the list of the plants you have, you may then understand the benefits of those. You might be having a very good plant which is very useful, but if you do not know the name and the use, then you will not be able to use it. So whatever you are going to do this vacation, you try to list those plants that you have at your garden. Yes, from Shashi Yadav's ID.
Yes, sir. I'm Prisha from class 6D,
Yes, please.
and I want to plant mango and lychee trees in my garden this monsoon.
Very good. You want to plant, and I want to eat lychees and mangoes this summer. So you will plant it for me
Okay,
also.
sir.
Yes, I would like to. That is why mango you want to plant. I think you are mango lover. Yes,
Yes, sir.
and you like lychee also.
Yes, sir. I think lychee is good.
Lychee is good, but it comes for a short period of time only. It comes for a few weeks, and
Yes.
it should come for longer time. कितना tasty fruit है,
Excuse
वो
me,
थोड़े
sir.
समय के लिए आता है. Yes, please.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Right.
My name is Ikman, and I have a doubt.
Yes, Ikman.
I have a very big mango tree, but it doesn't have mangoes.
Uh, there are certain trees which do not bear the fruits. So that maybe it has more to do with the genes or something like that. That
But sir,
happens.
it is a mango tree.
It's a mango tree. I understand there are certain trees. Even there are now crops which are genetically modified, which are not bearing the further seeds. So you might have heard about the seedless lemons, seedless
Yes.
papaya. So those are all kind of sterile trees, and they do not bear further fruits. So
Okay.
or
Thank
sometimes
you,
it
sir.
happens that tree is not having fruit for like 3 to 4 seasons, but after sometimes it starts bearing the fruits after mutations. So those are the cases. Those are already recorded. So yes,
Okay.
from
Excuse me, sir. There are some students, Aradhna Kaur from Santosh Kumar ID, Aradhna Kaur's ID, and 3, 4 more students are there. Unnecessarily, they are sending some emojis. So please take care. We have noted down the names of these children. If you are not interested, you can leave. Okay, something serious we are talking about. So please be careful.
right.
Okay, we are talking something important. So all of you, we all are taking advantages of environment. Okay, we all are alive because of environment. So please don't take it as granted. Right? All the students, be serious and listen carefully, participate it. Okay?
सभी जो यहाँ लोग हैं, जितने भी बच्चे हैं, सी यू आर giving your time to this meeting and you are trying to learn something about it, and having fun is something we should have fun. It is not that we should not have fun, but when we are talking on some topic, we must try to listen to that topic. So let us move further from Tarnish Gupta जी की आईडी से जो है, please you can switch on your mic and let me know.
Yes, yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. So I'm Tanush, and this year, like, I'm planning to plant neem and amla plant in my garden.
You want to plant amla? Oh, that is very good, amla. One interesting thing about amla is that this is the only fruit which is having 9 different kind of taste or something like that. I have read it somewhere. 9 different kind of juices rather. They say that can be eaten with so many other things. I would study more on that one.
Yep.
Very good name that you have taken. And how do we use amla otherwise in our routine life? कहाँ use करते हैं हम आंवला को?
So, like, to make some pickles or
Study
eat.
also. Sir, may I?
Just a second.
Sir,
Let him complete. So we make pickle, हम मुरब्बा भी खाते हैं, अचार भी बनाते हैं. So there is something, amla is very good for the eyes also and the hair growth also. So the students who are concerned about the hair growth or the eyes, they should eat amla. Yes, please. From Prataksha, please.
Sir, I always drink amla juice in the morning.
Oh, good, wonderful.
Yes.
Good. And you might be having the positive energy also of that one. How you have?
Yes, sir.
You feel positive energy throughout the day or for the morning time since?
No, sir, throughout the day.
Throughout the day. Okay, you should be sharing this recipe
Yes,
with
sir.
the others also.
Okay, sir, I will share.
Right.
Sir, we also use amla and amla candies.
You use amla and amla candy. You make it at home or you purchase it from the market?
We make it at home.
Right. So I would suggest your teachers to next time have a lecture of the amla candies also. So many things that you are doing. So good. That's why I always say that students are teachers. वो शुरू से पढ़ाते रहते हैं करने के लिए. जी. तो yes please हरजस कौर जी की आईडी से. हरजस कौर आप बताइए. What do you want to say?
Yes, sir. So I would plan to plant a lemon tree in my house.
Also, you want to plant a lemon tree in your house. Very good. And
Yes.
I tell you one thing. There are different kind of lemons. Have you explored that? What kind of lemon tree you want to plant?
So I don't have much knowledge about it yet, but I will surely gain knowledge and plant one.
So okay, promise with me that you will be letting me know the progress.
Yes, sir.
Because lemon tree मैं 3 बार try कर चुका हूँ. Lemon tree मेरा नहीं चला.
Sir, because I think my mother's side, on my side, my relatives have a lemon tree, and now only a few days ago they gave us many lemons, like that green lemons that were very big. So
Yes.
I want to grow in my house like that
So
also.
do remember next time when your lemon tree is going to bear the lemons, do remember that somebody has given you the lemons.
Yes, sir.
So do share with your classmates. I
Yes,
am a
sir.
kitchen gardener. I do have a lot of plants in my kitchen garden, and I do try to experiment each year. So each year I try to plant some different varieties, and lemons I did try, and lemon is one of the trees that I would like to grow someday. Definitely I would like to grow it someday. Yes. अब मैं डॉक्टर अरोड़ा ही बुलाता हूँ इनको, जो डॉक्टर अरोड़ा की आईडी से हैं. डॉक्टर अरोड़ा याद रहेगा मुझे. आप बताएं प्लीज़.
Sir, I would like to grow water lily in my garden
Water lily?
this monsoon.
Oh, water lily.
Yes, sir.
Yes, why that water lily you want to grow?
The water lily is a very unique flower and it looks beautiful in gardens.
It looks beautiful in the garden, and you may like to click the photographs also,
Yes,
right?
sir. Okay.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
So we have learned a lot of things that summer vacation is coming and we have a lot of tasks to do in hand. We may like to go for plantation. We may like to waste our. We may like to organize rather our things in the house. We may try to minimize the production of those things which are not required further. For example, if we have the clothes, we may. What do we do with the clothes? What do we do with the clothes? I was about to say something, but let me hear from you. What do we do with the clothes? If I have the clothes at my house and I don't need it further, what do I do? We forgot about the clothes. We talk about the plastic. We talk about yes, Himanshi. Yes. Let me know.
So we can donate them after cleaning them properly,
Hmm.
or we can use them to clean our houses, like for dusting and other purposes.
Hmm. Very good. We can donate those clothes to somebody who actually requires those clothes. You may talk to your parents. You may take the help of your elders to find those people who are in need of those clothes. Maybe uniforms, maybe wearables, maybe little cycles at home, because now we are grown ups. So there could be certain things which actually you can contribute towards the environment by sharing those things to those people who require that. Remember, you have yourself told me reuse, recycle. You have said that one, so we need to be catalyst for that thing. We have to make lists at our home that this thing I need, this thing I need, this thing is I need, this thing I need, and other list not needed, not needed, not needed. So the things which are not needed and not required in the near future or further future, you make list of those things and you can share it with your elders, so that we can be very clear that our house is now need a further organization, and these things can be shared with the other people. So this is one of the tasks that you can take in the vacation. So who may like to take up this task? Anybody agree to take up this task? ओके चलो सोच लेना, सोच के करना है एग्री करने के लिए, ठीक है? इसमें अभी बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो वो लिस्टें बना लोगे तो आपका काम और चलेगा. सो लेट अस हैव फर्दर क्वेरीज ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट. आज हमने क्या क्या किया, पहले उसको जोट डाउन कर लें. First of all, we have spoken about the environment. It is wholesome experience of our life, which is having abiotic and biotic things also. Then we discussed about that not only the plants or the plantation part is required to conserve the environment. We need to do the waste management also. We need to save the water. We need to sort out our plastic. We need to sort out our clothes. We need to sort out our vehicles. Then there are certain things we have discussed about the plantation in this summer, because monsoon is about to come, season is about to come. Then we need to plan our plantation very carefully. We cannot just plant any plant anywhere. We need to plan very carefully where we can grow the lemons, we can grow the mangoes, we can grow the neem trees, how much space is available, who is going to take care of that one. Those things we can plan, and accordingly we can contribute into the environment. So this environment day celebration is actually marked with our planning, how we are going to celebrate the World Environment Day by contributing in the coming future. In the 1 month at least we should plan in advance that this is how we are going to do, right? So how many students have already distributed the saplings from home or anywhere? Do you purchase saplings or do you distribute also? Yes, Dr. Arora, yes.
Sir, I distribute the saplings of tulsi, curry patta, lemon, and bougainvillea.
On bougainvillea, right? So everybody who needs the plantation or saplings from for the plantation, आपके पास अभी रिसोर्स पर्सन है, आपने सबने इनको कॉल करना है, और अगर ये सैपलिंग ना दे तो इस वीडियो को हम रिकॉर्ड करके दोबारा दिखा देंगे, इनके यहाँ सैपलिंग में मिलने चाहिए. ठीक है जी, राइट. मिस्टर तायल की आईडी से प्लीज.
So we give the guests as turn gifts. We give plants so that there is more.
Yes, you can give a return gift as a plant, and I tell you one more source why I asked you this question, because lot many students can say that we do not have that much plant and it's very difficult to give back to the society, right? So what we need to do is that you have got a nursery from where you can get free of cost plants. That nursery is at St. Stephen School. You already have a very beautiful nursery over there. You can take saplings from there also, and you can distribute it in your local area. You can plant in your vicinity, you can plant in the park which are around you. So those saplings you can take from the St. Stephen school, and you can share it with the others also. Just give me a second, I just need a second, please. Yes, please. So we were talking about the distribution of plants. So this season you can plan that you can distribute 10 saplings or 20 saplings or return gift, or you can plant, you can choose the area around your house wherever you can plant those saplings and take care of that one. And saplings you can get from the school also. So if you have not thought of that one, you can think of that one and you can do it. So some of the saplings would be available from Dr. Arora, and some of the saplings you can get from Dr. Seema Gupta. Right? So we have committed those things.
Right.
So this I think now complete 40 minutes lecture is there. So now we take the queries. अब आपकी जो queries होंगी, पहले तो मैंने पूछ पाछ लिया आप लोगों से, है ना? अब आपने कुछ पूछना है तो मेरे से पूछ लो. अब आप मेरे से पूछ लो कि मैं एनवायरनमेंट डे कैसे सेलिब्रेट करता हूँ. अरे पूछ लो, थोड़ा मेरे से भी पूछ लेना चाहिए कुछ ना कुछ.
सर बता दो आप कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते
ऐसे
हो.
एहसान मत करो, बता दो कुछ, थोड़ा ठीक से पूछो, मुझसे पूछो कि कैसे करते हैं.
नहीं नहीं सर अच्छे से
How do
पूछ
you
रहे हैं,
celebrate
बता दो.
Environment Day?
अच्छा ओके, जस्ट जैसे आपने कहा ना आपको मस्ती पसंद है थोड़ी सी, तो थोड़ा बहुत आपको सीरियसनेस से हटाने के लिए मैंने ऐसे बोल दिया. देखिए मैंने आज सुबह अपना दिन शुरू किया साइकिलिंग रैली से. हमारी एक यूनिट है जहां हमने उनको साइकिलिंग रैली के लिए हमने स्टार्ट किया. सेकंड वी हैव डन अ प्लांटेशन एट पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, दैट वी डिड. एंड थर्ड व्हाट वी डिड, वी हैव रिलीज सर्टन ई कंटेंट मटेरियल जहां हमने लोगों को सेग्रीगेशन के बारे में बताया. वी हैव टॉट द पीपल अबाउट द सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ द वेस्ट, and also have organized a program where the people, they came and to donate our things which they do not need, and we segregate that thing and we distribute to the various NGOs. And fifth thing that I am having a lecture with you. Sixth thing, in the evening also I would be having a session to mark my World Day celebration. And seventh thing I have done that in the kitchen gardening today I am going to do myself like devoting going to there in the for at least 1.5 hours. So this is how I am going to celebrate my World Environment Day. And I think that we.
Sir, it's a very good plan.
Thank you very much. And a half day I have executed already. And for the half day, as I have promised to you, so I have to do it now. I cannot bunk this plan now. You are very clever people. You have made me doing something. I told you to do something. You have made me doing something. You got me into this. Good. So any other query from my your side, you just let me know. I shall be dealing with that one. Since I do a lot of technical sessions also, so thought today that I should not be having technical session because it's a celebration part. It is not something our science lab, and I should not be teaching experiments. So it was celebration something like we should all be cheerful and happy and helpful to each other. So that is why I planned this way our talk. If you have any query, just let me know. Or should we wind it up?
So excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
So in this monsoon season that's coming up, which plants would you recommend are the easiest and best to maintain?
Very good question. See, where we like to stay, where the comfort is there, we like to stay in the comfort. Similarly, the plants like to stay where the comfort is. So most of the comfort is in the right climate. So native trees which are native to our place, which are जो हमारे पर्यावरण के साथ रह सकते हैं, the trees which can bear this temperature and summers and the monsoon, those trees or plants should be planted. So native trees are one of the best choice that you can do. Neem, banyan, jamun, fruit trees also you can think of. If your colony is not having problem with the monkeys, then you can try to plant the fruit tree as much as you can.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. And somebody might be asking me about the seed balls. I was thinking, अच्छा वो आप लोगों ने नहीं पूछा तो मुझे seed ball बतानी पड़ती. जी. Yes, yes.
Sir, if we don't have space, so the green plastic bags are good for environment.
Just a second. We have got, I think, this one ID which was leaked to somebody. I have to block that ID. Yes, please come again.
Sir, if we don't have space,
Hmm.
so we can use green plastic bags for plantation. It is good for environment.
Yes, you can use that one. See, uh, it's a something like people say that don't use plastic bins to grow plants. I'm partially not agreed to this statement. See, at least some container would be there. Plastic is not good for us in the longer term because it is not getting degraded, or it is not biodegradable. That plastic is not good. But if it is working for us for years, then it is something where it is useful also. So if you are going to have the container plastic grow bag or something, like, you can use that one. Even why to get from the market. There are a lot of containers which are coming at home, like you might be getting oil in that container, you might be getting like rice in some container. So a lot of containers are already there at home, so use those containers. So those container can be used to grow plants. And I tell you that a simple bucket of 20 liter can give you more than 15 kgs of potato. So do try to be a little innovative in that one. You all know Google Chat GPT these days. Just you need to use your hands to Google and Chat GPT, and it will let you know with the proper sequence also. Yes, very good questions. अच्छे क्वेश्चन थे.
Thank you, sir.
किसी के और मन में क्वेश्चन आया था, पूछो.
Suman ma'am is there, Suman ma'am?
Sir, I'm going to plant rosemary
Yes.
also in my garden.
You are going to plant?
Rosemary, it's very good plant for hair growth.
हाँ, आंवला भी अच्छा था. आंवला नहीं प्लांट करना, रोजमेरी करना. चलो कोई बात नहीं. You go for rosemary, but do plant it and do use it.
Sir,
There are a lot of people who plant it but they don't use it. I asked them that why are not taking jamun. से लगा है, लगा होने से नहीं होगा, खाने से होगा. So do plant rosemary but you use it.
sir, I already have amla in my garden.
You already have your online. So do you eat that one also or not?
Sir, I eat amla in the day.
In
In
the
a
day.
day.
Okay.
And I have juice also.
Okay. So I got that one. That why you are glowing. I thought that it is tube light, but I think it is your glow only.
No, sir, it's not you.
So you are glow only. Okay, right. So amla is glowing on your face.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other question, please? सुमन मैम, आपका कोई प्रश्न हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Arun sir, for sparing your valuable time. Really, you have told us, so many of your events taking place in one day. So, thank you so much that you are here with our students for this time and sharing this valuable knowledge of yours with our students. I think they will value and they will imbibe, out of it. Yes.
Very, very thank you to you, ma'am. And I do believe that these are not students; these are teachers. So I have learned a lot of things from these students.
Yes.
Today they have
Sir?
got me into something. They have got me into promise that I have to now spend 1.5 hour into the kitchen garden. I might not be able was going to, but now I have promised to them I have to do it. So thank you very much, my teachers. You are so
Yes.
sweet people. Yes, please. Somebody
Right.
was
So
excused.
thanks to you.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much,
Somebody
sir.
was asking
Thank
for
you so much.
excuse.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Sir, we have learned so much from you.
I have learned so much from you, my dear. It is always good to talk to you. I mean, I learn a lot. See, I can't smile that much that you do. I can't glow like you do after taking amla.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Have a nice day. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
sir. Thank you.
Have a nice day. I would be the last one to leave the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
So if somebody is
Okay.
having query, can stay back. If somebody is not having query, can leave the meeting for the day. Happy World Environment Day. अपने एनवायरनमेंट को साफ़ सुथरा रखें, अपने घर को साफ़ सुथरा रखें, खुद को साफ़ सुथरा रखें. ये सबसे पहली चीज़ है. जब पहले खुद को साफ़ सुथरा रखेंगे तो एनवायरनमेंट अपने आप साफ़ सुथरा होगा. सो डू ट्राई टू क्लीन, कीप योर सेल्फ क्लीन as much as you can. That doesn't only mean that you need to take shower every day. It does mean that you have to get the cleaner thoughts also. You should not be doing anything which is going to be waste. So you need to think over that one.
Thank you, sir.
Ji. So right, I'm looking forward to more of the queries if you have. Otherwise, please I request you to leave one by one.
Students, you can leave now.